This video briefly explains the automation testing tool of Easy Reporter. When upgrading your Easy Reporter version, how do you make sure that your existing reports are still working as expected after an upgrade? This is where the automation testing feature comes in. It's an excellent tool to ensure all your existing reports are not impacted by a release upgrade, an SAP upgrade, or a support package installation by testing scenarios to compare before and after results of reports. In this way, any differences or data inconsistencies will be spotted right away for verification. To use this feature, first create a menu where the reports for comparison scenarios are going to be housed in. Run the reports for the baseline, and then compare the before and after results to verify correct data. Let me show you how it's done. For the initial configuration, go to the Configuration menu and click on Automation Testing. You can also use the transaction code SA38 and run the program SpinER Automation TST. This opens the Automation Testing Scenarios screen. Click the Automation Scenarios menu and then click the New button. Click the Subfolder button to create a new menu where you will link the reports for comparison. Enter a description and then click Save. Now click on the newly created folder and then click the New button. This time, click Report Link to start adding the reports that will be used for comparison. First, add a description for the report, then click the Add button. Now select the report you will add from your list of reports in ER. For this demo, here are my sample reports to be added. After linking the report, select a variant. It's important to note that each report that you will link here must have a variant already set up with the date range and employee selected for efficient runtime and memory consumption of the automation testing program. After selecting the variant for the report, click Save. You can add just one report or multiple reports depending on your requirement. For this example, I'm adding 2 more reports. Once done, click the Save button and we can now proceed with the actual and initial automation run. To start the initial automation run, click Configuration, Run Automation. This can also be run using transaction code SA38 using the program /spin/ER automation run. Since this is the initial run, which is the baseline, the Create a New Test Comparison option will be used. Click Add Menu and select the folder we previously created. Enter a test scenario name, and a scenario ID will automatically be generated upon creation. Click the Execute button to execute the test run. Then a prompt will be displayed. If you're running a new scenario containing large reports or reports that are run for a large number of employees, it's recommended to click Stop so that the automation will just run in the background. For this example, let's click Continue to run it in the foreground. The View Differences screen will be displayed once the run has been completed. Since this is the initial run, there would be no differences in the comparison overview. Now let's say that our system has been upgraded. To make sure that our reports are working as expected after the upgrade, or to see if our reports were impacted and caused inconsistencies after the upgrade, let's run the automation testing tool again and compare our reports. Again, go to the Configuration menu and click on Run Automation. This time, select Run within Existing Test Comparison Group option. Select the test scenario that was previously created, then select the run ID that will be used as a baseline or reference. Now click Execute. Again, a prompt will be displayed. Click Continue to continue the run in the foreground. The View Differences screen will be displayed once the run has been completed to compare the before and after results. The green check mark represents matched results, while the red X indicates a mismatch. In this example, the first report matched and had no inconsistencies. The second report had a mismatch as well as its file output result. To view the result, click on the View button. The mismatch will be highlighted in red for your verification. In our example, there were inconsistencies in some of the employees' names. Now to view the results of its file output, click on the View Files button. You will see its overview details and the indication of a mismatch. Click on the View button to again compare the results. The indicator for the file output mismatch is the red pound sign on the left side. So these are the main automation testing steps in Easy Reporter in comparing before and after results after an upgrade. In this way, you can easily spot inconsistencies and identify if corrections are needed to be applied or not. To know more details, please read articles related to the automation testing functionality in the Help Center. Thanks for watching!